Hello, welcome to Srini Software Technologies. We are announcing master program on DevOps tools. And here we are going to discuss the top 15 DevOps tools, which are Maven as builder tool, GitHub as source code repository tool, Jenkins as deployment tool, SonarQube as code review tool, Tomcat as web server, Terraform as infrastructure as code tool, Ansible as configuration management tool, Docker as containerization tool, Kubernetes as orchestration tool, Prometheus, Grafana, and ELK as monitoring tools, Nexus as artifact repository tool. After completing all these tools, we will discuss real-time project also by using all these tools. Start date is 22nd 11th 2023. Time evening at 7:30 p.m. IST. To attend for demo session, please use these Zoom details. If you guys have any queries, you can send WhatsApp message to this number. And all these DevOps tools we are going to provide just for 3,000 rupees only. Thank you.